Welcome back to Job Creations. Latest job update is from Genpact. Genpact is hiring for two different job roles in Hyderabad location. Candidate who have completed graduation in any stream with minimum 2 years of experience can apply for these particular positions. So before going into details, I request you to please subscribe to my channel. Genpact is hiring for customer care executive positions for a banking process, and it's a voice process, and experience required for this particular opening is minimum 2 years to 5 years. Location is Hyderabad. Required qualifications and skills for these positions are tech graduates or any graduates with prior technical expertise, excellent written skills, telesales or customer support in a BPO, relevant experience in technical support. Candidate must possess knowledge of email clients and basics of internet technology. Relevant experience in international customer support through chat, email, and good in basic technical skills. Preferred skills: chat work experience is an added advantage, ability to analysis and make trade-offs to optimize return on program investments, develops a positive and effective working relationship with internal stakeholders as well as with external agencies, event partners and media channels, collaborative, excellent communicator, strategic problem solver with a track record of delivering. If you are interested, you can apply through the link given in the description box. Next job role from Genpact is for team leader. Candidate with 3 to 8 years of experience can apply for this position. Your job responsibilities include drafting and negotiating contracts, drive the preparation of proposal documents, statements of works, quotations, and competitive bids with pertinent specifications, terms, and conditions attached. Use appropriate pre-approved legal templates to produce non-disclosure agreements, call-off agreements, and contract amendments or renewals. Develops a review, negotiate, and executes complex business agreements and contracts as needed. Skillfully apply appropriate procurement approach in negotiations. Independently prepare and lead negotiations to conclusion. You have to liaise with stakeholders to understand their requirements and close them in the given time frame. Perform spend and market analysis in order to identify best available market price for the ongoing project or service. It's a voice process, and any candidate who has completed graduation from any stream can apply for this particular position. I have mentioned the link in the description box. If you are interested, you can definitely apply. All the best to all the candidates. Stay tuned to Job Creations for more such latest job updates.